Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic for affiliate marketing. And if you're a beginner, don't worry, this method is literally copy and paste. It is all done for you. So you don't have to write your own articles, you don't have to write your own emails, you don't have to make images or anything like that, because like I said, it is all done for you. And is it available worldwide? Yes, it is available worldwide. So without further ado, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And to find those products to promote, you can use ClickBank, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Digistore24. So I'm here on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace, and because we are talking about making money online and affiliate marketing, what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on internet marketing and e-business. And what you need to do, you need to research all of these products here on first page, second page, third page, and so on, in order to find the best one for you to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, get paid to do simple writing jobs online. Here you can see on average I can make 16 euros. That is about 16 US dollars per sale. So when I actually scroll here I can see cart conversion is 7% and cancellation rate is 21%. It is actually average cancellation rate considering that this is a really popular product. And here you can see, when I click here, I can check out their sales page. That is really important because sales page can make a difference between making sales and not making any sales. So let me just close this. And here you can see their sales page is actually a quiz. Quizzes are always the good sales page. So let me just close this. And here I can see their affiliate tools page. And we are going to need their affiliate tools page because here you can see they will give you upsell flows, promo links, emails, swipes, banners, product images, and so on. Now you don't have to use their own tools. You can use your own emails. You can write your own articles, make your own images. But if you are a beginner, this is much easier. It is much easier to use tools that they provide for you to promote their own product. So now when we have our product, next thing we need to do, we need to start driving traffic to this product. Now to get that free traffic, we are actually going to use a website called ListJoe. Now these guys will send your email to 1,000 people totally free. Now as you can see here, this method actually works the best with make money online products. And like I said, this website is absolutely free. So what you need to do, you need to click here on send my message to your ListJoe. Click here, and here you need to add your first name, your username, your password, your email. You need to agree to the terms of condition. You need to confirm your email and you are good to go. Now after that, you will come to your dashboard, and this is how your dashboard will look like. And here you can see I created a free account, and automatically I can send my email to 1,000 people every 3 days. And here you can see automatically I got 1,000 credits, so I can send my message to 1,000 people. If you wish, you can buy more credits, so you can send your email to 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 people. But for now, you don't have to do that. Well, actually, this is a tip for you. It is kind of against the rules of this website. Now you can actually create multiple different accounts. All you have to do is just use different email and VPN. And you can create multiple accounts and you can send your email every day. Sometimes if you create even more accounts, you can send your email 2-3 times a day to 1,000 people. And in that way, you will get even more exposure. You will get even more free traffic. And here you can see these guys here, they actually paid for these ads. If you wish, you can do that as well. But what we are actually going to do, we are going to click here on send mail. Now this is important part of the video, so please pay close attention. Here you can see you can send email, you can buy credits, you can send solo ads, you can buy solo ads. But what we actually wish to do, we wish to send emails. So click here on send mail. And here you can see how this actually works. Available now, I can use all of my 1,000 credits, or you can use less credits if you want. But why use less? You can send your email again after 3 days. So just use all 1,000 credits, right? Because like I said, you will get another 1,000 credits after 3 days. And when you scroll here you can choose, do you wish to use all 1,000 credits or just, for example, 500 credits, okay? But like I said, just use 1,000, all 1,000 credits. And here you can see how many credits you remain and stuff like that. Not that really important. Here you need to add your ad, okay? Enter your ad details. Now, your previous ads, not that important, just leave it as it is. Here you need to add your affiliate link, your Digistore24 affiliate link. So what I need to do, I need to go back on Digistore24 and I need to click here on promote. And this is my Digistore24 affiliate link. Just Ctrl C to copy, go back here on list Joe, and I'm going to paste that here. And I added my affiliate link. Your subject. Now I need to go back on their affiliate tools page and I need to click here on email swipes. And you need to choose one of these 10 email swipes. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use this first one here. Just click here and here I can see subject line. Your application has been accepted. Ctrl C, go back here and I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to add a body of my email. So I will go back here on their affiliate tools page and I'm going to Ctrl C to copy this. Okay, Ctrl C, go back here and I'm going to paste that here. Okay, so let me just scroll here and here you can see hey name. Now here you can see personalize the subject and or message body. Enter first name. It must be first name exactly. If not, it will not work. So I need to copy this. Okay, Ctrl C and I need to add that here. Okay, just like this. Sorry about that. Okay, like this. And now all the people who will receive the message will have their first name. So for example, hey Joe, hey Michael, hey Frank, or something like that. And here I can see body of my email. And here you can see click here to do that now. Now here you can actually add your affiliate link again. So here you can actually see you can add an anchor text. But because we are using free account, we don't have that option. So what we need to do, we need to go back here and I need to copy this again and I need to paste that here. Okay, I will say something like this and I need to paste it. But as you can see, this is a long and ugly looking link. So what I can do, I can actually go on website, for example, tiny URL, and I can paste that here, make tiny URL, and this is my tiny URL. Copy that, go back on list Joe, and I can actually replace that here. And okay, sorry, I didn't actually copy that for some reason. I will just click here on copy, and I'm going to paste that here. Okay, and now it is much small, it is much shorter, and it is nicer looking link. It doesn't look like an affiliate link, right? And this here I need to add my signature. So I just say, for example, I just say Zoran IG. Okay, that is my signature. So now people will receive this email in their email box. And all I have to do now is just click here on send message, and I will send this message to 1,000 people today. And like I said, after 3 days, I can send same message, or I can simply use different email and send that different email to another 1,000 people. And like I said, if you create multiply accounts, then you can send these emails 2-3 times per day, every day, and get free traffic. Now, to be honest with you, with this method, you cannot expect that you will make thousands and thousands of dollars, but you can start getting free traffic and you can start making some money with affiliate marketing. It is a good beginning, so if you are just starting with affiliate marketing, this could be a good start. So this is how you make money with free traffic and affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.